Hey, Conor here at Neversink Farm, and it's spring. We're just starting to plant in the family garden, and I want to make sure that nothing gets established, no weeds get established. All the beds have been prepped, and I'm ready to just walk around and do a first cultivation. And so I'm going to use my stirrup, and I'm going to use a wire hoe. So I'm going to use this inside the beds. I'm going to use this along the bed edges and get that started. You can see if you pull them up and we expose the root, it's going to lay around in the sun and it's going to be dead. Stirrup hoe is really nice to be able to get that established grass along the edge. Really digs in there. So if you have something a little bit more established, it works. But in the beds, I'm going to grab the wire hoe. Once I get everything that's planted, then I just go around and spot, cultivate anything that's popping through. Just a leisurely walk around the garden. You know, and what I think I'm going to do now is between these raised beds, so that I don't have to cultivate them anymore, is maybe put some wood chips down. I'm not sure I want to do it over there yet. I'm still moving beds around. And it's not something I do on the farm, but in the family garden I think it's going to look nice. So I'm going to finish up cultivating and then I'm going to grab some wood chips. I do have some.